Bank Islami's auto finance offers you the convenience to get the car of your choice, the Sharia-compliant way. Auto financing facility for all locally manufactured new to used vehicles. Tenure of auto financing 1 to 5 years for vehicles with up to 1,000 cc engine capacity, 1 to 3 years for vehicles above 1,000 cc engine capacity, 1,000 cc engine capacity. Customer equity, minimum 30% to maximum 90%. Financing amount minimum rupees, 2,50,000 rupees maximum, 3 million rupees. Processing charges application fee, upfront, 1,500 rupees per car, inclusive of Fed documentation and processing fees prior to disbursement. 1. For financing up to rupees 3 million, rupees 6,300 rupees per car. Tracker installation. Tracker installation is mandatory for all vehicles, and tracker shall be installed by Bank Islami Pakistan Limited. Takaful ranging from 1.85% to 2.8%. Rate may vary for special vehicles. Islami Auto Finance Facility is based on diminishing musharaka under Shirkat-ul-Milk arrangement. Under this joint partnership agreement, Bank Islami Pakistan Limited share in vehicle is represented by musharaka units. The bank will rent out its share in vehicle to you in exchange for periodical rents claimed. In addition to periodical rental payment, you will purchase Bank Islami Pakistan Limited share musharaka units on a periodical basis. Upon purchase of all musharaka units, you will become the sole owner of the vehicle. DM concept. Concept of DM-based auto financing. Diminishing musharaka. DM is a partnership transaction in which the partners agree to terminate shirkat partnership gradually by means of purchase of one partner's share by other partner. Under diminishing musharaka financing, the bank and its client participate in the ownership of an asset on the basis of Shirkatul Milk, i.e., joint ownership. ADM-based auto financing transaction comprises of mainly following 3 steps. Participation in the ownership of an asset by bank and client, i.e., creation of musharaka, and dividing Islamic Bank's ownership share into a number of musharaka units. Bank rents out its share of ownership in the asset to the client, i.e., ujara transaction between Islamic Bank and client, and gradual sale of musharaka units by bank to the client on periodic basis, and at the end of the financing tenure, client becomes the sole owner of the asset. A DM financing is a combination of musharaka, ijara, and sale transaction. Therefore, all rules pertaining to musharaka, ijara, and sale transactions are applicable to a DM transaction. All the 3 transactions are independent and are executed through separate contracts. To understand the difference between diminishing musharaka and conventional long-term financing, kindly click How It Works. How it works. Approach Bank Islami Pakistan Limited and identify the vehicle to be acquired on diminishing musharaka basis under Auto Finance Facility. Fill in the application form and submit the required documents. Download application form. Bank Islami will process the application and approve or reject the credit application, depending on customer's eligibility on bank's risk criteria. Once the application is approved, you will sign an undertaking to musharaka, whereby you will undertake to formalize Shirkatul Milk Agreement and execute other transaction documents after arrival of musharaka asset vehicle. After undertaking to musharaka, booking of vehicle is made by the bank at the dealer. After the vehicle arrives at the dealer and is purchased by the bank, part payment, chachi tu. Full payment to dealer will be made for booking, purchase of vehicle, and you will sign Shirkatul Milk Agreement and Payment Agreement. You will also sign an undertaking to purchase musharaka units. The bank will rent out its ownership share in the vehicle, to you against periodic rental payments. Being joint owner of the vehicle, principally bank and customer are liable to share the expenses like registration, takaful cost, etc. However, as bank pays the total expenses, therefore, such expenses are accounted for while determining the rental amount. Withholding tax plus advance income tax on cost will be borne by Bank Islami Pakistan Limited, as title of the vehicle is in Bank Islami Pakistan Limited. Name advance to financing tax will be at 4%, or whatever the rate may be changed to by the government of Pakistan, from non-filers at the time of agreement. On periodic basis, you will purchase Bank Islami Pakistan Limited share in units, and at the end of the transaction tenure, you will become the sole owner of the vehicle. In case you wish to terminate the agreement before the agreed period, you will have an option to buy the vehicle on the agreed buyout price given in the undertaking to purchase musharaka. Units eligibility. Citizenship, Pakistani income. No minimum income requirement, age limit, for salaried, businessmen, self-employed professionals, SEPs. Minimum 18 year at the time of booking, financing. Maximum 70 years at the time of maturity.